Scotland, a land sculpted by time where rugged mountains pierce the sky and ancient castles stand as silent guardians of a storied past. From the rolling hills of the borders to the windswept islands of the north, this small country boasts a tapestry of landscapes as diverse as they are beautiful. Here, the echoes of history whisper on the wind, carried through the glens and valleys where clans once clashed and legends were born. But Scotland is not merely a relic of the past. It is a vibrant and thriving nation, home to warm hospitality, a unique culture, and some of the most breathtaking scenery on earth. Join us now as we journey through this land of ancient wonders, exploring the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Scotland a truly unforgettable destination. From the bustling cities to the remote Highlands, we'll uncover the heart and soul of this remarkable country, experiencing its magic firsthand. Our adventure begins in Edinburgh, Scotland's capital city. Perched atop volcanic rock, Edinburgh is a majestic blend of medieval alleyways and grand Georgian architecture, where the past and present coexist in harmonious splendor. Dominating the skyline is Edinburgh Castle, a fortress that has witnessed centuries of Scottish history unfold within its walls. Here, kings and queens have ruled, battles have been fought, and the fate of a nation has been decided. Venture down the Royal Mile, a historic thoroughfare that winds its way through the heart of the old town. This cobbled street is a sensory feast, with street performers, traditional pubs, and the aroma of Scottish shortbread filling the air. As you wander, imagine the footsteps of generations past, from merchants hawking their wares to royalty making their way to the castle. Edinburgh is a city that invites you to step back in time, to lose yourself in its history and embrace its undeniable charm. But Edinburgh is not just about history. It's a city alive with culture, where festivals burst onto the scene with vibrant energy. The Edinburgh Fringe Festival, the largest arts festival in the world, transforms the city into a stage for comedy, theatre and music, showcasing talent from across the globe. No visit to Edinburgh is complete without sampling the local delicacies. Warm yourself up with a hearty bowl of Cullen skink, a creamy soup made with smoked haddock, potatoes and onions. And of course, no trip to Scotland would be complete without trying haggis, the national dish. Don't be deterred by its unusual appearance. This savoury pudding, made with oatmeal, suet and spices, is a true taste of Scotland. In the evening, seek out a traditional pub and savour a dram of single malt whiskey, the water of life. As the amber liquid warms your throat, you'll understand why Scotland is renowned for its whiskey production. Journey west to the Isle of Skye, where rugged mountains rise from the sea and waterfalls cascade down dramatic cliffs. Known as the Misty Isle, Skye is a land of myths and legends. Drive along winding roads, where every turn reveals breathtaking vistas. The Currang's jagged rock formations and panoramic views are a photographer's dream, and if you're lucky, you might spot a seal basking on the rocks. The weather on Skye can be as unpredictable as the landscape itself, so come prepared for sunshine, rain, and everything in between. But don't let a little rain dampen your spirits. There's a certain magic to experiencing the island shrouded in mist, its peaks disappearing into the clouds. For the adventurous, there are opportunities for kayaking, coast-steering, and even wild swimming in the crystal-clear waters. And for those seeking a more leisurely pace, simply relax in a cozy pub and soak up the atmosphere. No trip to Skye is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Sample fresh seafood, caught daily in the surrounding waters. Langoustines, oysters and mussels are just a few of the delicacies on offer. And be sure to try the local lamb, which grazes on the heather-clad hillsides, giving the meat a unique and flavorful taste. In the evening, warm up with a dram of Talisker whiskey, distilled on the shores of Loch Harport and renowned for its smoky, peaty flavor. And now we journey eastwards, leaving the rugged beauty of Skye behind us, and venture towards a different kind of landscape. This is Glasgow, a city sculpted not by nature's hand, but by the hands of artisans, musicians, and dreamers. Here, the urban jungle bursts with a vibrant energy all its own. Gone are the silent, mist-shrouded glens, replaced by a symphony of urban life. A chorus of accents echoing through bustling streets adorned with a kaleidoscope of art. Look closely, and you'll find the spirit of Glasgow woven into the very fabric of its being. It's in the grand Victorian architecture, whispering tales of a proud industrial past, and in the brightly coloured murals that erupt from brick walls, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. But Glasgow's creative spirit isn't confined to its walls. It spills out onto the streets, infusing every corner with a palpable energy. Inhale deeply, and you'll catch a tantalizing aroma of spices, a siren call from one of the many curry houses that have earned Glasgow the title of Curry Capital of Britain. And just as the city's art scene delights the eye, its culinary landscape sets taste buds alight. From traditional Scottish fare to international flavours, Glasgow's food scene is as diverse and dynamic as its people. Imagine yourself savouring the delicate flakiness of a freshly baked morning roll, or indulging in a plate of haggis, neeps and tatties, a true taste of Scotland. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow on the River Clyde, you'll find yourself drawn to the melodic hum of a traditional pub, where laughter and music flow as freely as the local whiskey. We venture now into the heart of the Scottish Highlands, a land of ancient forests, towering peaks and shimmering lochs. But none hold quite the same allure as Loch Ness, a place where reality and myth intertwine like the morning mist clinging to the water's surface. This is a place where whispers of the unknown echo across the centuries, where stories of a creature lurking beneath the depths have captivated imaginations for generations. As you gaze out across the loch's inky depths, shrouded in an ethereal mist, it's easy to understand how such tales took root. The sheer scale of Loch Ness is humbling, its depths plunging further than the eye can see. Could it be that somewhere in the murky depths, an ancient creature, a relic of a time before time, still patrols its watery domain? For centuries, people have flocked to Loch Ness, drawn by the allure of the unknown, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive Nessie. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, there's a sense of wonder here. Imagine yourself aboard a boat, eyes scanning the water for the slightest ripple. As the sun sets, you might just feel a shiver, wondering if there's more to this legend than meets the eye. Our journey now takes us south, to a place where the echoes of Scotland's past resonate with a particular intensity. This is Stirling, a town steeped in history, strategically perched atop a volcanic crag, guarding the gateway to the Highlands. Dominating the skyline is Stirling Castle, a majestic fortress that has witnessed some of the most pivotal moments in Scottish history. Within its walls, kings and queens have walked, battles have raged, and the fate of a nation has been decided. As you stand within the castle walls, just imagine the clash of steel, the thunder of hooves, and the roar of cannons that once filled the air. Picture the likes of William Wallace and Robert the Bruce, legendary figures who fought for Scotland's freedom, strategizing within these very chambers. But Stirling's history extends beyond the castle walls. Venture into the heart of the town, and you'll find yourself transported back in time, strolling along cobbled streets lined with buildings that have borne witness to centuries of life. Pause for a moment at the Mercat Cross, a historic landmark that once served as the town's central meeting point. Picture the bustling marketplace that once surrounded it, a cacophony of vendors hawking their wares and townsfolk catching up on the latest news. And before you leave Stirling, be sure to pay a visit to the National Wallace Monument, a towering tribute to William Wallace, standing sentinel on a hilltop, overlooking the battlefield where he secured his most famous victory. As you ascend the monument's spiral staircase, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding countryside, a landscape forever etched in the annals of Scottish history. We venture north into the heart of Scotland, the Highlands. Here, towering mountains pierce the clouds, and deep lochs reflect the ever-changing sky. The wild spirit of Scotland burns brightest here. Winding roads reveal breathtaking vistas at every turn. Heather-clad hills stretch endlessly, painted in purple and gold. Golden eagles soar above, and red deer roam the glens. After a day exploring, unwind with a dram of Highland whiskey. In the Highlands, whiskey making is an art passed down through generations. Pure water, local peat, and age-old methods create spirits with unique character. A distillery visit is a journey through tradition, ending with a warming dram that captures the Highland spirit. Beyond whiskey, the Highlands invite adventure. Hike wild trails, climb Ben Nevis, or simply soak in the breathtaking scenery. The Highlands offer memories that linger long after you leave. Nestled at the mouth of the River Ness, Inverness is the capital of the Highlands and the perfect base for exploring this legendary region. Discover historic streets, Highland hospitality, and the commanding Inverness Castle overlooking the city. Explore the Victorian market's unique shops and vibrant atmosphere. And don't miss a trip to Loch Ness. Maybe you'll spot Nessie. Inverness has become a must-visit for Outlander fans, with iconic filming locations and Highland landscapes to explore. But it's not just about history. Inverness boasts a vibrant food scene, from fresh seafood to local delicacies like Cullen skink. As the sun sets over the River Ness, you'll see why Inverness is the heart of the Highlands. From the rugged Highlands, we journey south to the Kingdom of Fife, where the ancient town of St Andrews awaits. Perched on the edge of the North Sea, it's a place where history and nature intertwine, a tapestry woven from the threads of time and tide. The very air here whispers tales of the past. Founded in the 12th century, St Andrews University, Scotland's oldest, has drawn scholars and dreamers for generations. Its hallowed halls have witnessed the birth of ideas and the forging of destinies. But St Andrews holds another claim to fame, one that draws visitors from the far corners of the globe, the ancient game of golf. Here, on the windswept links, where the North Sea crashes against the shore, golf found its spiritual home. The old course at St Andrews is a pilgrimage for golfers, its windswept fairways shaped by centuries of weather. To play here is to walk in the footsteps of legends, but St Andrews is more than golf. Its charming streets and seaside cafes invite exploration. Savor fresh seafood as the sun sets over ancient ruins and the shimmering sea, a true feast for the senses. Our journey takes us westward now, to the bustling port town of Oban, nestled amidst the dramatic landscapes of Argyll and Bute. Here, the rugged mountains of the mainland plunge dramatically into the sea, creating a tapestry of land and water that is both breathtaking and awe-inspiring. Known as the gateway to the Isles, Oban is a bustling hub of activity, a place where fishing boats bob gently in the harbour and ferries set sail for distant shores. The air is alive with the cries of gulls and the salty tang of the sea, a symphony of sensations that speaks to the very soul of the Hebrides. Dominating the skyline, McCaig's Tower, a curious, unfinished Colosseum, stands as a testament to one man's ambition and the enduring beauty of this coastal town. From its lofty perch, visitors are rewarded with panoramic views that stretch out across the bay, encompassing the islands of Mull, Lismore and beyond. Oban is a seafood lover's paradise. Fresh oysters, plump mussels and the catch of the day, all from the sea. But no visit is complete without a taste of Oban's renowned whiskey. Settle into a cozy pub, raise a glass and savour the warmth of this coastal town. In Oban, the sea, the whiskey and the people create memories that linger long after you leave. Scotland isn't just a destination, it's an experience. From windswept highlands to bustling cities and serene coastlines, it leaves its mark on your soul. Wherever your journey begins, one thing's certain, you'll be back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favourite Scottish memory in the comments below. Until next time, Slánta Math.